20 years ago, corporate power was measured by factories, workers, revenue, and profit. In 20 unit of value,
The global cryptocurrency market is valued at more than $3 trillion in 2026, while artificial intelligence
investment. From artificial intelligence models to decentralized blockchain systems, tokens are increasingly becoming a measure of computational power.
In 1900, businesses competed with land and machinery. In 2000, they competed with software and data.
Modern artificial intelligence operates through tokens. Every question, report, conversation, and financial analysis is converted into tokenized units for processing.
A human employee works with time. An artificial intelligence system works with tokens. This distinction is reshaping executive decision-making worldwide.
Executives now track token expenses alongside payroll, office costs, and marketing budgets. Efficiency is increasingly measured by output per million tokens consumed.
Leading AI companies process trillions of tokens every month. As AI capabilities expand, computational demand continues to grow at unprecedented rates.
In the intelligence economy, tokens are becoming what electricity was to the industrial economy. Efficient use value.
Behind every AI-generated response are thousands of processors operating simultaneously inside massive data centers.
New data centers are rising across North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Asia at a pace rarely seen in technological history.
Some AI infrastructure projects consume electricity comparable to medium-sized cities, forcing governments to reconsider future energy planning.
This challenge has intensified interest in distributed computing, where millions of computers contribute processing power instead of relying on centralized facilities.
Blockchain technology offers a mechanism for recording contributions, distributing rewards, and verifying transactions without relying on a single intermediary.
What the internet accomplished for information could potentially be repeated for computational power through decentralized coordination.
In this model, tokens are not merely speculative assets. They become certificates representing real economic contribution.
Among thousands of blockchain projects, Pi Network has attracted attention through its focus on human participation before technological complexity.
Pi reports more than 100 million registered accounts across over 230 countries and territories, creating one of the largest communities in blockchain.
As token economies evolve, markets will require more than computing power. They will require identity, payment systems, contribution tracking.
Artificial intelligence can create content, software, and automated services. Blockchain can help verify ownership, reward contributors, and establish accountability.
One technology generates intelligence. The other enables value transfer. These two powerful trends are moving closer together every year.
Gold gained value because it was widely used. Paper currency gained value because it was widely accepted. Future digital tokens may follow a similar path. If AI tokens become fuel for intelligent systems, blockchain tokens could become the payment layer powering the broader digital economy.
Analysts estimate that artificial intelligence spending could exceed $1 trillion annually within the next decade, increasing demand for tokenized computational infrastructure.
Industrial economies measured steel output. Digital economies measured data. Emerging intelligence economies may increasingly be measured in tokens.
For the first time in history, human intelligence, machine intelligence, and economic value may be connected through a common system of measurement.